Hi guys. So today we are going to discuss in Selenium. The topic is what is a batch execution? What is the batch execution and how to perform batch execution in Selenium? How to perform the batch execution. So first of all, what is a batch? What is a batch or suit? What is a batch or suit? Combination of test cases is called as a batch or suit. Collection of test cases is called as a batch or suit. So executing multiple methods in multiple classes is called as a batch execution. Combination of multiple test cases is called as batch or suit. Executing multiple methods in multiple classes is called as batch execution. Executing the multiple methods in multiple classes. Multiple methods means, see, in our Eclipse, in this test.ng there are so many classes are there. In this test.ng package there are so many classes are there. Ajax control, Google languages, information command, printlets, like multiple are there. So I want to execute different classes, different methods. How to execute it? That is called as our batch execution. So batch execution is possible by using XML files. Batch execution is possible by using XML files. So first, how to create an XML file? Last time already we discussed. So now in my concept, here there are so many classes are there. Observe. Ajax control class is there, Google language is there, information, SpiceJet pop-up. In this SpiceJet pop-up, see, there are two test methods are there. One is verify one-way search is one test method. See, verify one-way search is one test method, and one more test scenario is F is my test scenario. F is my test scenario. First, what is our situation? First, I want to create one folder with the batch execution. My requirement is I want to create one folder with the name batch execution. Under that, in SpiceJet pop-up, two methods are there, but first time I want to run only this method only. I want to run only the one-way search. I don't want to run F. And after execution, I want to make it results in one separate folder. That folder is one-way search results. Got you my point? First, in this class, if we run this class, right click on this class, run as test.ng suite, it will execute both the methods in alphabetical order. But what is my requirement is, I want to run only one method. So I want to execute only verify one-way search only first time, and I can make it as a some results. So in this, I can make it as a my first result is one-way search results. This is only folder. I want to create one results folder, one-way search results. In this, I want to run verify one-way search method. Verify one-way search method. I want to run this verify one-way search method. So once execution is completed, second part I go for second execution. At the time of second time, go to this class, this time run both the methods, verify one-way search and pop-up. Now this results I want to store into separate result folder, pop-up results. I want to create separate result folder. In that I want to run both the methods. Both the methods I want to run it. Verify one-way search method and F method I want to run it. First I want to go for verify one-way search method, and next I go for F method. See, in my program 2 methods are available. F is also one method where we are 2 methods I want to run it. At the time of third, so go to any class, you take any class, that is our wish. Suppose I want to run this Ajax control program. In this Ajax control, how many methods are there? See, only one method is there. Only F method is there. So after execution, I want to create one more result folder, that is Ajax results. Ajax results. I want to run F method. Next, another class. You go to for any one of the class. You can select any class, either Google languages, print links, read values, SpiceJet, already SpiceJet. So I go for Google languages. In these Google languages, only one F method is there. I want to create separate result folders. So here, Google languages results folder. In that, I want to run F method. So here, I am executing different methods in different classes. In SpiceJet pop-up, first time I can run one method, second time both the methods, third time Ajax program, fourth one Google language program. So different methods we are executing multiple methods in multiple classes called as a batch execution. So how to achieve this concept? By creating XML file. So how to create an XML file? See, right click on this package. If it is a TestNG class, go to the TestNG. But it is an XML file, go to new, click on a others. In this, expand this XML, select the XML file, click on next. Give file name with .xml extension. Give any file name. Here my file name is batch.xml. Click on finish. See, one XML file is created. This is the version. So previously already we are executed one XML file. How to avoid the alphabetical order problem and how to create user defined one result. The same kind of format here also. So first you can observe what is the first main folder? Batch execution folder. Under that separate .html files I want to create. So first main folder is nothing but suit folder. Now I want to open a suit tag. So close it. Automatically it will close the suit tag. So what is our main folder name? Batch execution. Give name equal to batch execution. Internally I want to create one test.html file. So I go for test. Give the name. What is the next folder you want to create? For this verify one message, one way search results folder I want to create. One way search result. So you can write one way search results. Why these two are? Once we run the program, it will create, once we run the TestNG program, it will create in our workspace default suit and default test.html files. See, once we run the program, here under a test output, it will create default suit and it will default test. Instead of this default suit and default test, I want to create my own folders. For that purpose, I can make it as a first one batch execution and one way search results. In this, you can use the classes. Open the classes tag. And inside this, you can give the class name. How to give the class name? Package name dot class name. Package name dot class name. So in our example, what is the package name? TestNG. So we go for TestNG dot class name. Go to the class name. SpiceJet underscore pop up. Give the class name. SpiceJet underscore pop up. Done. In this class, there are methods are there. So open the methods tag. How to use the methods? Yes, by using include name equal to First I want to run which method? First I want to run only one message method. That is my requirement. So give this method in this include statement. So see, up to here, from this test to this closing tag, it is single test case. Single test case. So first it will create one batch execution folder. Under that one message results folder will create. Go to that package, it will execute that class. And which method it will execute? Verify one message method it will execute. Only one method. Why? Because under include tag we are given only one method. Now continue this. What is the second requirement? You can create separate result test HTML file for the pop-up. So I can make it as a pop-up results is my folder. In that I want to execute two methods. Verify one message and F. So up to from the test, this is one test case. Copy this second test case. But this time my folder is pop-up results. Class name, package name same. Here I want to execute two methods, so you can open one more include statement. One more include. Name equal to, what is the second method? F. So up to here in second test case, it will execute one way search and F method, and it will create separate result folder with the name pop-up. Now what is the third requirement? Ajax results means go to the Ajax control class, run the F method. So again I am creating one more test. One more test case. This time the folder is Ajax results. So class name is Ajax control is the class name. Give this class name. Ajax control. In that the method is F is the method. I want to know only F method. Why? Because in that class the method is F is available. See, in this class what is the test method? F. That's why we are given F method. Next, what is the next one? Google languages results folder. In that whatever the method is there, we can create it. I want to create one more test case. This time I can make it as a Google languages results. So you can see the class name. Google language is the class name. So package is same package. So you can give Google language. In that again the method is F method. Now see, this is the, so here up to from this one test case, this is second test case Ajax, yes, this is the third test case, this is fourth test case, this is the way how to perform batch execution, executing multiple methods in multiple classes. This is the way how to perform the batch execution. Save this. How to execute? Right click on this batch file, run as testng suite. It will execute all the methods in different classes. First it will execute only one message method. First one message is executed. After that second time it will execute one message and pop-up. See, it won't execute the pop-up. Second time, it will execute that pop-up method also. So after find plates, this time it will perform pop-up also. See, to open the pop-up, US dollars, Indian rupees, select the Ahmedabad in previous window, close it. Third one is Ajax control in Google. This is the third test case. Fourth one is Google languages. Hindi, English, Bengali English, that is. Executed. So the main intention is it created folders or not? Go to our workspace, go to the project, automation, test output. What is created? Batch execution, separate folder. If you run the test ng, that is available in default mode. My folder is batch execution. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. For every test case, separate results are available. Ajax results. Open it. In the F method is there, executed successfully. Second one, Google languages results, executed successfully. Third one way search result. Here only one way search method I am executed. Fourth one, pop up, two methods I am executed. F and one way search, both are passed. This is the way how to perform the batch execution, how to execute multiple methods in multiple classes. Now we go for one more scenario. So previously I executed one program in WebDriver and TestNG, whatever it is. How to verify one message program? See this program in WebDriver. First I am clicking on one-way radio button. After that, source, Hyderabad, Bangalore, some date. Next my 3 adults, 2 children, 1 infant, and find plates. This is our program. So what is our program? This program theme is clicking on one-way radio button. One-way radio button, leaving from Hyderabad, going to as from Bangalore, date is first. Here my requirement is first time I want to go for 1 adult, 0 infant, 0 infant, then click on find plates. Find plates. This is the first time. Second time again you go to that SpiceJet application, and this time same values you can select it. One way, no change from Hyderabad Bangalore, same value. Date also same date. This time change value is different. 2 adults, 1 child, 0 infant. Find plates. Third time I want to pass multiple values. 3 adults, 2 children, 1 infant. Then click on find plates. So this is my requirement. How to pass multiple values to that one message. So verify one message with multiple values. How to pass multiple values? How to pass the multiple value? So first my requirement is 1 adult, 0 children, 0 infant. Compulsory you can click on find plates. After that come to the main page. Second time 2 adults, 1 children, 0 infant. Third time 3 adults, 2 children, 1 infant. So how to pass multiple values to that application? How to achieve this concept? So go to this, again come to your TestNG package, create a class. Right click on TestNG, go to TestNG, create TestNG class. Now my class name is verify one message with adult, children, infant. Now before test is required, click on finish. Okay, now so I have 3 test cases are there. First test case 1 adult, 0 children, 0 infant. Second test case 2 adults, 1 children, 0 infant. Third one 3 adults, 2 children, 1 infant. Now first we declare WebDriver object public. WebDriver, we are declaring one object for that. WebDriver interface, driver is my object. Next before test open an URL. First I want to launch Firefox driver. Next I want to open that URL driver.get. Our URL is spicejet.com. Next one driver.manage.window.maximize. So first my concept is, see this method, if we go to that one message, it will take 1 adult, 2 children like that. Okay, but every time I want to pass multiple values. So where is that program? See, in this SpiceJet one message, it will pass 3 adults, 2 children, 1 infant only. Okay, now I want to pass different values. So first to declare this method, first to declare one method within the class, not the test method. After declaring your object, you can declare here. Okay, in test method, if you call this method, then it will execute with whatever the default values are there. 3 adults, 2 children, 1 infant. We can add throws exception. So whatever the values it will execute 3 adults, 2 children, 1 infant. Every time only these values will execute. Why? Because we are calling that method. First it will execute the before test, it launches URL. After the test, verify one message, the cursor jump to this method and it will execute that method. But what is my requirement? I want to pass every time different values. So to pass the multiple values here, don't give directly values within the method. You can pass parameters. There is one concept is there, parameterization concept. Yes. So instead of A adults, I can pass a variable A. Instead of children, I can pass one variable C. Instead of infant, I can pass one variable I. So if these 3 variables are there, compulsory we can declare within the methods parameters. So you can, this method you can pass 3 parameters. The data type string A, string C, string I. A for adults, C for children, I for infant. So you can observe 3 values we are passing. You can observe here one error is there. Why that error? This method required 3 parameters. Why? Because in that we are passing 3 parameters. Change the method name as string. So we can pass the parameters. We can pass the values from here. So first what is our value? 1 adult, 0 children, 0 infant. So that is the single test case. First test case, instead of S, I can make it as a test case 1. Test case 1. So if you want to give any description, means what is this test case? What is the test case? I want to give any description about this here. In after test you can give a description. Here it will give just like system.out.println, it will print one message in the console. Same like, what is this test case? What is this test case? This test case is to verify one-way search with one adult, 0 children, 0 infant. Just understanding purpose only. This test case is to verify one-way search. I can make it as the next line. Verify one-way search with one adult, 0 children, 0 infant. Same like that. How many possibilities are there? 3. I require 3 values. So create 3 test cases. Second one and third one. We will check it, the errors. Okay. All the test 1 is there. So change the methods name. Test case 2, test case 3. You can give these values also. You can change these values also. So what is our second requirement? Yes, 2 adults, 1 child, 0. Third one is 3 adults, 2 children, 1 infant. Absolutely. Here also you can change it to adults, 1 child, 0 infant. Third position, 3, 2, 1. You make it as a 3 adults. So now see, first it will execute when we run the program. It will goes to the before test and it will execute it. After that it will come to the test method. Here how many test cases are there? Test case 1, test case 2, test case 3. First time 1 adult, 0 children, 0 infant. Every time it calls this method and these 3 values will be passed this instead of A, C, I. Okay, now save it, run it. Here one problem is there, observe. Test case 1 only will pass, remaining 2 will fail. See the result. First one message, Hyderabad Bangalore, some date. First test case is, some values are there, 1 adult, 0 children, 0 infant. Executed successfully. Test case 2 and 3 are failed. Go to the result. See. Observe the result. Test case 1 is passed. We are given description. What is the description? This test case is to verify one-way search with 1 adult, 0 children, 0 infant is passed. What about the second one? 2 is failed. This test case is to verify one-way search failed. And what about 3? 2 fails means obviously third one also fails. Failed. Test case 3 also failed. This test case is to verify 3, 2, 1 failed. Why? Because once we clicking on the find flags, automatically it will goes to the next page. In this page, that one-way radio button is not available. Again, I want to open this SpiceJet application. Again, I have to open this SpiceJet application. So how to redirect this page? After clicking on find flights, again how to launch this SpiceJet. In this only our execution will start. One way Hyderabad Bangalore and every date. How to launch that SpiceJet? For that, every time we are calling verify on message method. So in before test, don't give this driver.get. Simply in before test you can launch Firefox and maximize. Every time we are calling method now, first time, second time, third time, every time we are calling methods. So calling method means compulsory execution will start this 15th line. Here you can give that spicejet.com. So obviously whenever you are calling that method, cursor jump to the 14th line, first it will launch spicejet and execute the program. In second test case also, first it will call the verify message. First it launch spicejet and execute the program. Third time also it will launch spicejet and execute the program. Save it, run it. This is the solution for that. This is the way how to pass multiple values to application and how to execute multiple test cases. So here 3 test cases. Suppose you have any possibilities are there. Yes, you can change the values also. You can change the Hyderabad Bangalore, or you can change the dates, everything. Suppose there are 6-7 test cases are there. Single method is enough. You can pass values from your test method. Now see the execution. See, again it is redirected to spicejet. Again second test case it is running. Second time, what is our values? 2 adults, yes, 1 child, 0 infant. This time it will change the values. 2, 1, 0. Find plates. After that again we are calling the method. Again it is redirected to that spicejet.com. Third test case. 3, 2, 1. 3 adults, 2 children, 1 infant. Execution was completed. Go to the Eclipse and find out the results. See all the results. Test case 1 passed. Test case 1 passed, 2 passed, 3 passed. See here, test case 1 is passed, 2 is passed, 3 is passed. I am given description. This test case used to verify one message with 101. Second one, test case is verify one message with 210, 321. This is the description how to give these values. That is how to pass the multiple values. Now my program is, in this Eclipse, I want to click on this navigate button. I want to click on that navigate button. See, carefully observe that navigate button is available under Eclipse. How to click this navigate button? By writing the program. Anyone can try it. How to click on that navigate button to write the program. You write the program in Eclipse. Once you click on this run button, then automatically it will click on this navigate button. How to write this concept? Well, because it is a desktop element. By using Selenium, it is not possible to handle the desktop elements. Not possible to handle desktop elements. Or I want to upload a file. Suppose in my desktop, I have some resumes there. I want to upload this file into my mail ID. Now to click on this desktop elements. So that is one main important topic is there. In our next session, we go for this SQLi. By using SQLi, it is possible to handle that desktop elements. How to handle the desktop elements? That is by using SQLi only it is possible to handle the desktop elements, flex elements, flash elements and web elements also. So in next session we will discuss about the SQLi.